Hello, this is a service module designed to simplify elevator maintenance operations. Users can manage lift annual maintenance contract details, register and track complaint tickets, and generate regular maintenance plans, ensuring better control and visibility across all service activities. First is the Contract Management module and here is the dashboard. Users can get a complete overview of all active lifts under service. They can easily monitor registered complaints and track their status in real time. Additionally, the dashboard highlights units with contracts expiring in the next 2 months. Next is the Site Building Details. Here users can add and manage detailed building information along with corresponding lift details. They can define how many lifts are installed in each building and maintain structured records for every site. Users can also set the exact location of the building, making it easier for technicians to locate the site. Next is the Contract Management. After adding all building details, users can create the actual contract for that building or lifts. Here users can define the contract type, contract period, start date and end date, payment terms, billing type, and other details. They can also set the frequency of the regular maintenance plan. After adding all details, users can add lifts under the contract. They can define how many lifts are included and add pricing in item types. Once the contract is activated, the system will generate the regular maintenance plan based on the defined frequency. Next is the Call Center module. Here users can register complaints for a particular lift. After entering all breakdown details, there are 2 options to assign the ticket to a technician: manual assignment, automatic assignment based on technician availability and route. Once the ticket is assigned, it will be available on the Smart Technician mobile app. So this is a Smart Technician mobile app. Registered complaint tickets are available in the Technician mobile app. The technician needs to review the assigned ticket, and once he reaches the actual building site, he can begin the work accordingly. During the inspection, he can capture photos and record short videos of the lift-related problems directly through the mobile app for better documentation. After that, the technician needs to enter the breakdown details such as defect area, issue type, defect solution, defect cause, and job carried out details. Once these details are entered, he can take the signatory details of the building representative, including their name, designation, mobile number, and signature for confirmation. After completing all the required information and once the lift issue is resolved, the technician can mark the ticket as final, which indicates that the service request has been successfully closed. Once the ticket is closed from the app, the system automatically generates a ticket closing report, which can be shared with the customer for their reference. In this report, details such as the reported issue, the work carried out, and the technician involved are clearly mentioned. The technician can also work on the regular maintenance plan through Smart Technician app. For this, the technician needs to select the route and the start date and end date for the period in which the regular maintenance plan is scheduled. After applying this filter in the app, the regular maintenance plan tickets will be displayed. The technician needs to select the ticket, and once he reaches the site he can start working on it. After reaching the building, the technician needs to click on the Start button to begin the ticket and start the maintenance process. After the ticket starts, the inspection checklist becomes available. The technician then marks the items that have been inspected and verified during the maintenance process. If there are any observations or remarks, they can also be added in the provided remarks section. After completing these details, the technician needs to enter the job details such as job carried out and feedback, if any, and then take the signatory details from the person available at the building site, including their name, designation, mobile number, and signature. After entering all the required information, the technician can close the ticket by clicking on Final End in the application. Once the ticket is closed, the system automatically generates a ticket closing report, which can be shared with the customer. This report includes the maintenance checklist details, work carried out, and other relevant service information. Thank you.